ROJETechnologies.
Molecular diagnostic kits manufacturer. Viga Genotyping HPV molecular diagnostic kit. This kit is an in vitro diagnostic kit designed for the simultaneous detection of 16 human papillomavirus genotypes in human genital swab samples through real-time PCR. High specificity, no cross-reaction with other HPVs, HIV, HPV, HCV, HSV1 and 2. And high sensitivity. Extensively validated on clinical samples. Rapid, reliable, comprehensive and cost-effective test. Easy workflow. Endogenous internal control DNA, which allows excluding unreliable results. Detection and simultaneously genotyping of 14 high-risk HPV genotypes and 2 low-risk HPV genotypes. Compatibility with the most common real-time PCR equipment. Contains all components for PCR amplification. V fluid.
ROJETechnologies.